Hello and welcome to another episode of Health Hacks with me, Della, and Lee, our pharmacist from LloydsPharmacy. Today we'll be discussing UTIs. Lee, can you tell us a bit more about what we mean by UTIs?
Hi Della, absolutely. So the term UTI stands for urinary tract infection, which can be any infection that affects your urinary tract, but also your bladder, urethra, or kidneys too. You may know these infections as cystitis, urethritis, or even as a kidney infection. They're incredibly common, especially in adult females, and some women may experience them regularly, known as recurrent UTIs.
So what are the most common symptoms of a UTI?
There are a range of symptoms with UTIs, and these can include pain or a burning sensation when going to the toilet, as well as needing to pass urine more often, especially during the night. This urine may seem cloudy, or there may be blood in it as well. You may also experience a high temperature, or even a very low temperature, as well as pain in the lower stomach area or in your back, just under the rib area.
And how do we develop a UTI?
So UTIs appear when the urinary tract becomes infected, which happens mostly when bacteria from the gut enters the urinary tract. This can happen through sexual intercourse or by wiping when you're on the toilet.
So are some people more susceptible to UTIs than others?
Yes, they are. So if you have trouble emptying your bladder, have a weakened immune system, kidney stones, or even diabetes, you can unfortunately be at greater risk of getting UTIs. Also, women may develop UTIs much more easily than a man, around 50 times more likely, as the urethra is shorter and closer to the anus, meaning that this gut bacteria can travel much more easily into the urinary tract.
Oh, I see, so that does make more sense. So how easy is it to treat a UTI?
It can be easy, and some UTIs can be treated with antibiotics. With a mild case of UTI, these antibiotics need to be taken for 3 days, and you should continue to complete the course of antibiotics even if you're feeling better, to make sure the infection is fully cleared. However, if you're a male, pregnant, or you have serious symptoms, these may need to be taken for longer.
So is it easy to know if you have a UTI without visiting your doctor?
Yes, if you're unsure if you currently have a urinary tract infection, then you can use the self-check urine infection test, which you can do in the comfort of your own home, which you can pick up signs of an infection in under 2 minutes.
Fantastic, and thank you for explaining it in more detail. We'll see you for another episode of Health Hacks.